Welcome to Learning Through Examples. Examples helps to understand better. In video 4, we'll see some theory regarding JavaScript. First point which we should understand and make it clear, Java and JavaScript. These are two different things. They are two languages for their specific purpose. So Java and JavaScript are two different things. Just because JavaScript contains a word Java does not make it any kind of relation with the Java. So Java has its own purpose. It's a server-side language, many other things, many features, object-oriented, all sorts of things. JavaScript is a client-side language with specific purposes. So let's make this thing clear that Java and JavaScript are two different things. First, whenever we want to create any websites or any web pages, whatever we see on the browser, normally we require three things. First is HTML, that is hypertext markup language. Second is CSS, cascading style sheet, and third is JS. Normally any simple web pages you can create with using these three technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is used to create the structure of the web page. We can create the structure of the web page. What will be on the header top, what will be at the footer, that is bottom, what will be at the left side, what will be at the right side, what will be in the middle body. You can decide your own structure, and that is being created using HTML. So this is the purpose of HTML. CSS is used to give styles, in short, to beautify your websites, web pages. What color you want to give, what animations you want to provide, what fonts you want to use. Getting point? So it helps to beautify your websites with the help of CSS. JavaScript, that is JS, is used to provide interactivity to websites, that is to give life to your web pages. Normally using HTML you can't do anything. It's just a dead thing. It's just a dead thing, nothing else. To give interactivity we go for JavaScript. Like when I click on the button, something should happen. When I click on something, button or anchor tag, it should go from one page to another. So this life, this interactivity we can get by using JavaScript. For example, to make things more clear, the structure of the building, just only a plain structure of the building is nothing but like a HTML. You have a pillars, you have the walls, everything, but it's a structure. So this is a kind of HTML what we do for our web pages. Second, a complete building, with colors and all those things what we apply to make our structure more beautiful, to make our house building structures more beautiful. That things comes as a CSS. So whenever we apply CSS to our websites, web pages, we make it more beautiful and more people can see it. Now within the building, structure is done, your colors and other thing has been done. Now if you apply, for example, lifts, you apply lights, you apply all sorts of things, this will give a interactivity to your building. From one floor to another you can go, you can switch lights on and off, fans and other things, right? So this is a kind of JavaScript, to make you understand. It's a kind of a JavaScript, you can say. So in our web pages we can apply JavaScripts for a button click, your anchor tag, from going one page to another, to apply dynamic images and many things. So hope this example will give a bit of idea. Further, before JavaScript it was known as a LiveScript. So the first name of a JavaScript was LiveScript. At that time Java, the language was getting more popular. So to take advantage of that, these people, creator of the LiveScript, they thought of to renaming it as a JavaScript. So they took the name of a Java from the Java programming language and replaced the LiveScript with a JavaScript. So now it became as a JavaScript, and even it got the benefit. Second, JavaScript is a scripting language. So in the next video or in the coming video we will explain what is scripting language. So for now we will stop here. JavaScript cannot communicate directly with the database. So using JavaScript you cannot connect to any database like MySQL, Oracle, MS Access, SQL Server or anything. And even you cannot read or write any files on your computer. So JavaScript also does not provide any functionality, okay, directly from which you can read and write files present on your system. Next, JavaScript is a client-side language. Okay, it's a client-side language. Like we have a Java, .NET, PHP, and other things. They are a server-side language. We have a client-side language. So for now, we'll keep this term as it is. In the further videos, it will be more clear what do you mean by client-side language. Now, since JavaScript basic is a client-side language, nowadays even you have a JavaScript as the server side. JavaScript as the server side. One example is Node.js. So for now we'll keep this as it is and we'll move further. So to sum up all things, JavaScript is a high level, it's a dynamic, it's a weakly typed, it's object based, it's interpreted programming language. You can have many other features also, but these 5 which you should remember. It's a high level, it's dynamic, it's weakly typed, it's object based, it's interpreted programming language. And in the coming videos we will see one by one all these features and other characteristics in details with example. On the net you can have so many theories present regarding JavaScript. You can Google it. I've just provided a link of Wikipedia where you will find some more information regarding JavaScript. You can go and search on the Google and you can see n number of tutorials, theories available on the net. So thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to our channel, like our page on Facebook. Thank you so much.